Some habits you follow without realizing may have been keeping you poor for years. And do you know what's worse? Most of these habits are considered normal in society. In this video, we will expose these sneaky enemies one by one. Behaviors you thought this can't be a problem for years may actually be slowly destroying your financial life. Have you ever wondered how money keeps leaking out of your pocket, why you never manage to save, or why you stay stuck in the same financial cycle? The answer isn't in big economic crises or bad luck, but in the small, innocent-looking habits you repeat every day. Today I will show you 7 core habits that drain your money and keep you stuck. Once you notice them, you'll open the door to financial freedom. If you're ready, let's begin this journey that will reshape your financial future. 1. Thinking small expenses are unimportant. That coffee you buy every day, the snacks you grab on the way, the taxi you take saying what difference will it make, they all seem small. You say, what's $10 a day, right? Let's calculate. $10 a day makes $300 a month. In 1 year, that's $3,600. What could you do with that money? Maybe take that dream vacation, buy a new computer, or create a great emergency fund. Those tiny leaks turn into a huge hole over time. Small expenses silently kill your big goals. The hole in your wallet grows not from a big robbery but from repeated small wastes. The first step to breaking this habit is writing down these small expenses. When you see what you spent in a week, you'll be shocked. Financial freedom begins by defeating the thought one coffee won't hurt. 2. Saying I'll start later. Postponing saving, investing, or paying off debt. This is the strongest poison that keeps people poor for years, even a lifetime. I spent too much this month. I'll start next year. When I get a raise, I'll save. Let this debt end, then I'll start. Excuses never end. You delay for a month, then another. Suddenly 5 to 10 years have passed. When you look back, all that's left is regret. Have you heard of compound interest? If you knew how big a difference starting early makes, you wouldn't want to lose even a day. The $100 you save today can turn into thousands of dollars in the future. But every day you say, I'll start later, you throw away that potential. Remember, the perfect time will never come. The best time to start is now. You feel down, you go out and buy something, you're upset, you fill your online cart. You want to reward yourself, you spend again. This cycle chains you financially without you noticing. The danger begins the moment you associate happiness or relief with spending money. Emotions change. If you grab your wallet every time you feel down, you'll never achieve financial stability. It gives temporary relief, but creates long-term stress and debt. Next time you feel bad, call a friend, go for a walk, listen to music, or read a book instead of shopping. Find ways to manage emotions that don't cost money. Real happiness cannot be bought. The more you try to fill emotional gaps with objects, the more those gaps grow, and the smaller your wallet becomes. Easy money is always the most expensive money. Talks that claim to make you rich overnight, coins promising 1000x growth, pyramid schemes offering high returns. They all exploit people's impatience. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and constant learning. Those chasing fast money often lose everything. There is no elevator to wealth. You must climb the stairs one by one. This is called lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, immediately you plan for a more luxurious house. You get a bonus, and instantly buy a new phone. You get promoted, you upgrade your car. If your expenses increase as your income increases, you can never progress financially. You always return to the starting line. Real wealth is keeping your lifestyle the same when your income increases and sending the difference to savings. It's not about how much you earn but how much you keep. They taught many things in school, but not how to manage money. A person without financial literacy cannot keep lottery winnings even if they win big. If earning money is a skill, managing it is an even bigger skill. Without knowledge, money won't stay. It gets eaten by inflation or lost to bad decisions. The best investment you can make is improving your financial knowledge. Books, videos, podcasts. Knowledge is the strongest shield against manipulation, scams, and bad decisions. You can't win the game without learning the language of money. Cars bought out of fear of what will people say. Debts taken just because the neighbor bought something. Expensive vacations taken to avoid looking weak among friends. This is the most dangerous kind of poverty, show-off poverty. You buy things you don't need with money you don't have to impress people who don't care. This race never ends. There is always someone who has more. You must make financial decisions for your goals, not for others. Their opinions don't pay your bills. Today we talked about the 7 sneaky habits that keep you poor. Ignoring small expenses, procrastinating, emotional spending, chasing easy money, lifestyle inflation, neglecting financial education, and living for others. You likely saw a few of these habits in yourself. What matters is noticing and taking the first step to change. Your financial situation won't change overnight, but one small decision today can create a huge difference years later. Now I ask you, how many of these 7 habits do you have? Write your answer in the comments so we can learn together. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial awareness. See you in the next video. Take care of yourself.